Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make reels like Detyo Bon. First, plan your reel's story and message. Start with a strong hook to grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Gather high-quality video footage and ensure your audio is clear. Think about your desired aesthetic and how each shot contributes to the overall flow. This foundational step is crucial for a compelling final product. Next, focus on your editing. Select trending audio that complements your visuals and adds energy. Use quick cuts, often less than 1 second per clip, to maintain a fast pace. Experiment with different shot angles and perspectives to keep viewers engaged. Don't forget to add text overlays or captions to highlight key points and make your reel accessible to a wider audience, even without sound. Now, let's enhance your visual storytelling. Apply consistent color grading and filters across all clips to create a cohesive look. Incorporate subtle visual effects, such as slow motion for emphasis or speed ramps for dynamic transitions. Ensure your reel tells a clear story or conveys a specific emotion. Maintaining a consistent personal style helps build recognition and connect with your audience over time. Finally, give your reel a thorough review. Watch it multiple times to check the pacing, timing, and overall impact. Ensure all elements from audio to visuals are perfectly synchronized. Export your finished reel in the highest possible resolution, like 1080p or 4K, for optimal quality on various platforms. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Share your masterpiece and engage with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.